So in this ajanta quartz clock, if you want to replace the battery, then you can see on the back side there. So here in this section there you can see this is the positive side of the battery and this is the negative side, and you must insert the negative side to this spring and the positive to the other end. So you must insert like this. You can see that it is running now. So for replacing the battery in your clock, so you must insert here in the back side and you take the battery and insert like this. And suppose if you want to remove the battery, simply use your finger and lift the battery like this. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.